This video is about simple multiplication. The first question, what is 21 times 3? So first thing we need to do is set this out correctly. So we'd have the 21 times 3. Now I just times 3 by each of the digits in 21. So 3 times 1 is 3. Put that underneath the 1. 3 times 2 is 6. So this answer becomes 63. Here are two extra multiplication questions that have already been set out for us. The first one, 21 times 6, so let's try that. So I times the 6 by the 1 to get 6, and then I times the 6 by the 2 to get 12. So I put the 2 underneath the other 2 and the 1 beside it, 126. Let's try the third question, 56 times 3. So I'm going to do 3 times 6, which is 18. Now put the 8 there. Now I haven't done 3 times 5 yet, so I just carry on my 1, and I'll add that to the result of 5 times 3 later. Now 3 times 5 is 15, but remember I need to add on my 1, so I get 16. So I put the 6 below the 5 and the 1 next to it. So the answer to that one is 168.